Good day, Kalbayognon! As we celebrate Labor Day today, let us not forget that this is not just a holiday, but a moment to recognize the people behind the work. Every day, across our communities, there are individuals who wake up early, work long hours, and give their best, not for recognition, but to provide their families and to keep things moving for all of us. To our workers, whether you're out in the field, in an office, in a classroom, on the road, or at home, your hard work matters. It may not always be seen, but it's always felt. So today, we simply say thank you. Thank you for showing up, for pushing through, and for continuing to do your part, no matter how challenging things get. I'm your Vice Mayor Rex Taguman, love Winsing Calbayog.